busy place. A little bit. No food. These ladies do really nice work, yeah? They make all this stuff. Hello. Made by hand. Earrings. Very nice, yeah? Something, huh? If you're into that kind of thing. Lots of restaurants in here. As well. Nice looking restaurants here, Sorry Cup. Menu's got nice pictures. Price is 50 baht. It's not too bad for a tourist area, you know. Probably be 40 baht anywhere nowadays. All kinds of different nuts and teas and dried mushrooms and strange herbs. Look at all this stuff, yeah? Very quiet in here. I wonder where everyone went. So smart, they got English names. Quite a place. Yeah. You want, yeah? I do. Some very interesting stuff here, but most of it you can buy in any market, especially in Chiang Mai. You don't need to come all the way here to get it, that's for sure. And the price is about the same, I would say. Not that I'm an expert on prices, but I've not seen a whole lot of stuff I haven't seen before. Happy kids. It's always a good thing.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Sabadi, how are you?
Sabadi Cup. Elephant pillows. Oh, that's it, guys. There's really not much here. It takes way longer to get here than it does to see everything. There's not much to see. That's a cute little baby. You got people here waiting to get their picture taken for a fee, of course. The little one was crying earlier, but quite happy now. There's the market. Pretty much everybody's selling the exact same thing. Either it's clothes or nuts and seeds and dried stuff, dried food. A few nice restaurants in there, that's for sure. Not worth the effort to get here, not worth the effort. Most of these people are not hill tribe people. It's all Thai people. Not that that really matters a lot to me, but you know, if you're coming to see the hill tribe people, it'd be nice to see more than a couple, you know. Alright guys, well that's it. As always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. They are really cute.